Think about it. Right now, inside of you, you have all kinds of blood cells that are trying to make sure to kill any bacteria that are there. Some of them are trying to fight cancer cells or infections or viruses. You also have skin that is trying hard to rejuvenate and to make sure that your skin is protecting you from any bacteria that come in from the outside, any infections. You also have a heart that's beating like just the right amount and you never even have to think about it. Isn't that cool? You have lungs that are working. All of this is being regulated by the guardian angel inside of each of us. You even have eyelids that are blinking to make sure that no dust gets in your eyes. All of it is amazing. Your body right now is making pee to get rid of the toxins. Not too much pee, keeping some water inside of you to make sure your blood pressure stays just elevated enough to keep you standing and healthy so you can run and swim and do all kinds of activities. Our bodies are truly, truly amazing. Think about everything, single organ inside of you, your liver and your pancreas, your spleen, all of it, intestines. Our bodies are absolutely amazing. It's like having like millions of little guardian angels inside of us, actually. So why on earth would we ever treat our bodies badly, even for a split second? Why would we make it harder for our bodies to do their job? Why on earth would we put death inside of our bodies? Why would we do that? Imagine killing an animal and then putting the rotting corpse inside of us and somehow thinking that that's a good idea. I don't think it's a good idea. We have the choice to put healthy vegan foods inside of us, living foods. Plants don't feel pain. They don't have a brain like we do. They don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart. You know where to start. Start by being vegan from now on. You can totally do this. Sorry, the phone's moving so much, it's super bumpy. But let me know in the comments what you think about this. Does it make sense to you? If you think of it that way, that you have like a million little guardian angels inside of you, and don't you want to protect each one of them, every little cell? Why would you want to hurt yourself? Don't smoke. Don't put smoke inside your beautiful pink lungs and turn them black. How crazy is that? Don't vape. Don't drink alcohol that's going to hurt your liver. You know, maybe you can have a drink once in a while if science, if research tells you that's okay. But you get the idea. Make sure you get enough sleep. And that's one of the things that I have to work on, getting more sleep. That's also very important. So that our bodies can rejuvenate, can heal. Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking about today. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And yes, I'm going to go get some vegan food right now. I'm super lucky. I'm going to make sure that I nourish my body with healthy vegetables, nuts, fruits, seeds, vegan pizza, vegan pasta. I don't know exactly what I'm getting. I'm definitely not getting cow's milk, that's for sure, and no corpses. And I'm not going to be stealing any eggs from any mothers, because they belong to them. I hope you join me on this vegan journey. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe, press the notification bell, and help us get the animals out of hell, and help us thank the angels within you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's put our empathy into action. Miss KADIE will show us